Hey you guys, TosTinMan here. This is the first video I've ever done sitting. And the reason for that is sitting is pretty uncomfortable for me. It puts more pressure on the spine, it puts more pressure on the thoracic outlet area up in here. So I really don't sit very often. So I'm gonna go over what is the most comfortable kind of chairs and seats for me to sit on. When I do sit, this is the chair that I almost always sit in. It's just a regular little folding chair, has a little bit of padding on the seat. And people ask, well, what's so great about a folding chair? Well, I think the main thing is you sit up nice and straight in it. So it keeps your head kind of aligned over your body. You know, a lot of chairs and sofas and recliners, they kind of lean you back and then you have to pull your head forward. And that, when you have thoracic outlet syndrome, that just causes a lot of pain. And sitting in the wrong chair can flare me up for weeks if I sit there for too long. When it comes to driving, this is what's the most comfortable for me. Just the bench seat of my '87 Chevy pickup. Sits you up nice and straight so your head's lined up over your body and supports your lower back. Doesn't put your head in a forward posture position. So I set my folding chair alongside this outdoor patio chair here. And as you can see, the folding chair sits you up just a little bit straighter. It's not a lot, but to me, it's I can be off just a couple degrees, and that's enough to flare me up. I mean, it's crazy. A normal person would think, you know what, this guy's ridiculous. But you know, anyone that has thoracic outlet syndrome would probably tell you the same thing. So I've kind of gotten to the point where when I do sit, I sit in this folding chair, and I bring it places, you know, when we go out. I mean, I've brought it to people's houses. I've brought it to restaurants. I mean, you know, it can make you look a little bit silly, but it comes to the point where, do I want to look a little bit dumb or be in pain for 3 weeks after because I sat in a bad chair? I mean, that's what it comes down to. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll talk to you next time.